Never look for appreciation of your work from the one that doesn't want to know about it. However, your success and your satisfaction always depend and will be honored by those who deserve your service through the year. Just remember that this little rock we are living on will only rise and shine to be a brilliant tourism destination when each of us start to respect, motivate, and appreciate each other's work. Appreciation symbolizes the feeling of motivation in everyone's life.
So let's put our hands together to receive the dancers of DUSHI KORSOU with a nice big round of applause. Thank you.